Hello everyone and welcome into yet another live stream. Hi! Hi there. Hi and welcome everyone. Hi and welcome everyone. Yeah, it just so worked out that yesterday I didn't stream, I do believe. It's been a long day for me yesterday. It's just been a really long day. But you can't have two no streams in a row, no. Hi the Cutsy. How you doing? Hi. Hi. So, what's popping? Hi the Ninja. Not much. Remco's gonna randomly show up and take one again. It's a bit early for Remco, I do think. First break of daily streaming after stopping daily streaming. No, it's the second actually. We know what, that's actually a good place to start the stream, I suppose. We can check how many days I've missed. Dates calculator. I've started the daily chart checkups on 5th of February 2023. If I count days, it right, okay. Anyway, let's are we gonna do that? Actually, maybe, I don't know. Well, not quite do that, but I did crack the nut of the thing as such. I just got so much sample code, and at some point I just decided I should switch my strategy. And the thing I was trying to do with moving data to a microcontroller, I realized that there is a standard which I've already been using to send code over, and I realized I can use that to control the microcontroller. And I won't bore you with the details because I am fully aware that absolutely no one cares. However, what it means is that I suppose I can turn this one off. We have this, which, well, I'll need to rewrite because I hate classes personally. Make it stream more after stuff with daily streaming. Yeah, we are 5 days ahead, in fact. Why is the side there? Why is it threatening? Oh, you mean this? There's a lot of them. There's a lot of size. This is what the all the animations look like combined for now.
You love the size.
There we go. We're getting a nice gate gradient. A gadrient, if you will, and I will. That's look quite lovely. Just switching over colors. That's nice. That is nice. Actually, we should get just something to render, you know? As we do other stuff. We should just have something render. Hold on, let me organize my Firefoxes, because if I only have 2 of them open, I can accidentally close them, and then that will mean I'll have to relog into everything. Hi, the caper! Gradient, yeah. You know, when you have a gradient of a rainbow, that's a gradient. Quantum tunneling. Well, imagine we have 2-dimensional particle. Okay, so there we go. Right now what we need is a 2-dimensional particle, which will just be this. And if I was clever, then I could do it in a bit of a more clever way. And let me just think now about how I could go about this. Oh, I know how I can go about this. I can set up geometry nodes. I can do a grid like this. I can pop a grid like there. I can increase its size. Something a bit bigger. And then I suppose the 2-dimensional Gaussian. Is today the day you release the video? I am surprisingly close to finishing it, actually. It might be. I don't know. No promises, Dark. No promises, because I don't know how long it's going to take, but it might be close-ish. If I don't go to sleep tonight, then perchance. Yeah, there we go.
No, please do sleep. Sleep is good.
I just woke up. I have a whole day ahead of me.
If you don't, you're the one who can sleep with me.
There's no sleeping involved. Sudden urge to learn how to program has returned to me, and I'm paralyzed by number of languages once more. How do I thwart this paralysis? Go Python. That's how you thwart the paralysis. It's easy. It's convenient. Now let me try something. Position. If I take position, I plug it into position. Absolutely nothing happens. Well, that is phenomenal. That's great. What happens if I take ID and plug it into position? Ah! Our points are way far off. That makes sense. Now what happens if I do ID, math, then truncated modulo of this integer? And then, oh my goodness, I'm doing mathematics right away. I just woke up.
Damn, how old are you?
Add this. Then, no, subtract the truncated modulo multiplied by this. And then that into the y. Okay, then I'm getting somewhere. Ah, mathematics, shit. Each point has its own ID.
Are you getting there?
Each point has its own ID. And if I do truncated modulo, okay, so imagine it this way. We have the points, we do 0, 1, 2. I can first check actually which way they go. Coffee, please, something, anything. Drugs would be better, but I'll say that. Alright, time to learn Python and make a shitty, very unfair text-based dungeon crawler. Yeah, I would say a good start. I make computer on the computer using nothing but Pygame, Python, Hope, and a dream. There is a certain concept called a virtual machine artistic panzer, which is actually computer on a computer. And that's a genuine thing people use. It's very useful actually. I do believe Docker is a virtual machine, if I'm not mistaken. This one, hold on, my window wasn't properly closed now. There was just humming noise in the background. It's very distracting. Drugs would not be better than coffee. Have you tried them? My mystery pills are still on my desk.
You're perked.
my mystery pills is like, you know how in Skyrim, in order to do alchemy, you need to test what each ingredient does. Yeah, sort of thing. If you don't mind, I'm playing some music for myself also to wake me up. That also sometimes helps. Okay, them's the points. Now if I take ID, square. I see the problem. That's not great. Wait, no, that is good. I take it back. 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. That's how they go. Make it extract caffeine for coffee. You mean from coffee? So just do caffeine raw.
I just straight into your veins.
Well, I do drugs, prescribed drugs. You see, when I say that I'm gonna do drugs, I don't mean it in the way that's normally known, as in taking drugs. No, I mean doing drugs. Let's make it. Make it. I turned 18 on your stream. Today I'm 19. Happy birthday!
Hmm.
Never you're young.
Happy birthday, Miku.
Why did I allow you to have moderator? You're a child. We need to kill this person. That's an odd thing to say right after happy birthday. Okay, gotta go bye. Alright, bye Ash, bye, have a good one.
Happy.
Now, this is going to require a lot of brain power. But if we take the ID,
It's good that you have such a big brain.
I do have a big, girthy, just massive brain. Raw caffeine. The closest you'll get without going some chemical side is some energy drink. What do you mean? I've used to take caffeine pills. You can just open them. It's not difficult to get raw caffeine. Truncated modulo.
I have extracted raw caffeine from my piss.
And then I do because I done it backwards. Right, I need to subtract the truncated modulo from this. Yes, and then divide it by this. Yes! Eureka! Okay. Now the reason why I did that, well the reason why we've done all of this, gone ahead and bloody done it, is because right now, with the proper setup in mind, we can change up our position. Can I do an offset afterwards? Oh, I can, lovely. Which means if I do noise texture, like this, then we get a noise. And we can increase the vertices. Oh, it does also increase in size. That does make sense. Shit. Which means I need to divide the whole thing at the end. Divide by the number, correct? Yes, increase in size every single time I do it. So it should be divide by number. Ah, more mathematics! It never ends! Why is my local supermarket selling caffeine water? Supply and demand.
Caffeine water.
My NSFW brain is too dirty for talks nowadays. Well, yeah, a lot of you here unfortunately suffer from this.
Yeah, we are only pure on this channel. We don't like talk any SFW.
Listen, I only tolerate the dirty language when machines are involved. Without machines, it's just gross.
True.
I thought they could pills like
We all know you have a robot date.
No joke, I sometimes do go around like when I go on my night walks, right? Sometimes when I'm bored, I do go around looking at like electrical infrastructure. Because every city has like certain places where they distribute the electricity, and they just have like these massive, just sometimes transformers. And it's just, and I do sometimes spend my time just like 2 a.m, standing still, just looking at it like a sociopath in the middle of nowhere. I look like I'm about to bomb the place.
Having a wank to a transformer, aren't you?
Come on, cats, get your mind in the gutter.
You're the one doing it. What do you mean?
I'm standing, no wanks involved.
I'm just standing there thinking about it. I'm not doing it.
Should be divided by just the integer, right?
You're an interesting specimen, I have to say.
Oh, I've cracked it. There we go. There. So now we have now increasing this size shouldn't matter. Although it does. Why does it not? What? Oh, that's odd, to say the least. Makes sense, I suppose, as well. Wait, what does an atom need 8 electrons in valence shell? Like, why does that make it stable and not 7 years of therapy and some wine? I don't get it either, Artistic Panzer. I'll be honest with you. Some people should chase women, some rob people, and make it just stalks their local electrical infrastructure at night. Some people chase women, that's what you started with.
Yeah, some people just, you know.
I've never seen a weird person at night. I've never seen one. I've seen drunk people, but that's pretty normal. I've never seen anyone being actually weird. I feel like it's just a big misconception by people who don't go outside at night. Everyone just... That's what I think happens.
Well, I haven't seen you.
Big Day is just trying to keep everyone inside at night. And they don't want you to know. Shit. No, not 0. Shit. Should be... Wait, no, there's 0. That should work. There we go. I've never seen a weird person. I'm making me go, yeah, I just kind of look at them Transformers. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but I don't look at myself, you know? Like, I understand that might be a bit odd at times. But I feel like the whole at night all sociopaths come out is a misconception. I feel like the whole thing is a misconception. Because if you think about it, right, then... Like... Well, I don't... Well, no, there's not much to think about there. It's just wrong.
Well, the only person I know that comes at night is you, and you're famously very sane.
But I'm not a scary person. And people really often get scared of walking out at night. You see, that's what I'm saying. That doesn't surprise me because you see everyone having a good time with fanboys at night. Why is dogging a British thing? Why have they got dogging? That's not fair. That doesn't feel fair to me.
What
Honestly.
do you mean?
Do you know what dogging is? Okay, well, let's leave it there.
Like, I have an idea.
I've been taking
like,
in too much British culture recently. I don't know if I should call it culture.
Dogging. Do you wanna Google dogging?
I mean, you can, I'm pretty certain you'll just get... Well, actually, what will you get if you Google dogging? I'm curious, hold on. Nope, you just get dogging. Okay, that makes sense, right? Alright, now
That's an interesting search.
the reason why... Alright, Gaussian. Gaussian will be... hold on, because this gives us the coordinate. Right. Separate. Can I just use this for the offset as well? That'd be nice. Boy. Cassie has mood. Yeah, when I do boring stuff, Cassie is just like the. I used to have a cat, and I would do a cat cam whenever I did anything boring. But now I've dissolved it in acid, so cat's easier.
It's just classic cam.
Yeah. Well, do make sure to be on your toes, because, if you piss me off, I wouldn't have a problem with dissolving you in acid as well. it wouldn't be the first time. I'm not saying I've dissolved a cat in acid. All I'm saying is that if I did that, it wouldn't be the first time. Okay, there we go. Now exponent, and it is power second, and then title -1. No wait, that's wrong. This way.
I'm in fact the comedy relief.
Oh,
holding relief,
you are
whatever you call
relief,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, I relieve you very effectively.
Oh, I am so good at what I do. Honestly, I am incredible.
Mm-hmm. You do me and you do me good.
There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Absolutely beautiful. And now, why is that? Oh, what do you mean? No. It's mathematics. I'm doing hard math over here, right?
I mean, he's hard and he's doing math. That's what that means, right? Like, how else is supposed to do math?
Oh, yeah. A pink jellyfish, that's what Matt's been missing. Hi, the Bionerd. Hi. I am so close to being finished with my algebra summer class. Well, good for you then.
Mikey is also so close to being finished.
Unprompted. I like when we were assembling CNC machine. I got that, but I mean,
you fucking silly. Of course.
I can't even say anything at this point. I don't know where you might take it.
You do love me, don't you?
If I were a cat, would you still love me? This.
If I were a cat, I would be dissolved in acid right now.
If you were a cat, your behavior wouldn't change in any way, shape, or form.
True.
Alright. A better question is, if you were a cat, what kind of cat would you be?
What kind of cat would I be? That's a damn good question. What do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
Orange with white socks.
Of course, you say I'm an orange chap.
Yeah, but White Sox, they have completely different personality.
Yeah, totally. What's the gay one?
People gives me ginger energy. You have a very spicy orange cat with White Sox kind of vibe about you.
You like spicy orange fries, you say?
For example, the cat I had was the black, right one? Yeah. It was
Uh-huh.
pure black. And so it was like chaos, but I mean, a typical cat chaos. It wasn't really much about it. It was fucking loud. That was annoying. It wasn't too
You're also
emotional.
loud fucking.
You like, at this point, you're trying to push it in. Oh, fuck off. Don't even. Get your mind the gutter. I won't let you. Oh, no, it's not stop talking. Don't get you. No. Do not dare. What
So you're
does...
saying you don't like black people. I mean cats.
Okay, now that was just unnecessary.
I'm sorry.
What does zesty mean?
Zesty. I think you should Google it.
I don't know. I mean, I know
I don't
the...
think I'm typing zesty.
What is zesty like an orange? Oh, there's
Zesty
synonym
is
of spicy.
yeah,
Oh, it is from orange zest. Oh, I
it's
was
like down.
correct.
It's a similar down bad too, sorta.
Oh wait, because there is a... Oh, there's an urban definition, right?
Yeah.
Derogatory term for gay or effeminate men.
There you go.
It's just they used to describe videos of men or boys acting in a way that is specifically feminine. So it's femboyish?
So it's like you and me.
Wait, is it femboyish? Zesty? Is that what it means? Why
I
does it
like
come from
zesty.
zest? Oh, I don't...
Damn. Getting zesty now.
Okay, the thing is, when I think of gayness, zest is not really something I'd think of.
What is zest?
It's or like oranges, like the peel.
Oh.
That's bitter. I don't like the taste of that at all. No one does. People just pretend they do to trick other people into eating it.
Yeah. And also gay used to be a bad word too, you know?
So used to be queer. Reclamation or whatever. Oh, I have absolutely no light in my office. Oh, what am I supposed to? Hold on, I need to turn someone on. I mean,
Alexa, turn on the gay lights.
There we go. Oh, why is it so yellow? Stop being so yellow.
What the hell? Why?
Oh, my headphones just died. Uh-oh. Hold on. That's bad. Oh, that is shit. Yep, that is shit. Okay. Hold on. Give me a second, y'all. Technical difficulties are arising. Ah, fuck. Fuck.
Chat, do crazy reaction like something absolutely fucking insane and inappropriate, okay? And he will like be fucking confused.
Ah, fuck. Technical difficulties, everyone. Just be right there with you.
I mean, those clankers, they take our jobs. They fucking unify against us, you know? We need to do something about them. Total clanker annihilation needs to be put in order.
Okay. Okay. Quick fix. As good as I can do. Yeah, I can. I trust you. And I hope you actually... We hope you didn't say anything controversial when I was gone. Fruity to describe gay. I think it follows with fruity. Oh, that actually would make some sense. Well, but I mean, still zesty. That is gross, mean, a dick move. And trust me, gay people will know everything about the dick move. There, we're so back. All right, so if I may do this, and if I may do a that, like so. Beautiful, lovely, great, then... Oh, it's really bright. I need to buy a new pair of headphones now. Festive. What? Oh, hold on, no one on stream will be able to hear you because you can only be on one device. Oh, fucking hell, hold on.
Oh, what?
Shit.
Was I not heard?
Okay.
That was so sad. I mean, that's why none of my fucking jokes landed.
Shit! No, I just won't be able to hear anything, no matter what happens.
Oh, that's rather terrible.
Just, damn it! I don't have backup headphones! I just do not have backup headphones. I had one pair, which was slowly dying over the years, and that's it!
Well,
Yeah, no, I just... I'm sorry, I'll just have to continue this live stream on without hearing anything, I suppose. I have speakers, but there is no way I can just on the fly make headphones out of them. That's just simply not how it works. When it comes to fixing my pair of headphones, that's rough. Go sleep. Alright, go to sleep then. And I'll just... Yeah, I'll just sit on the voice channel with nothing. This is weird for me. I can... hearing absolutely nothing. You don't understand, my apartment is so like eerily silent. It's honestly very off-putting. I don't like it. I don't like this at all. Okay, now. This is really, making me very uncomfortable, you know? Usually I can drown out the general loneliness and sadness of my life by playing some music or something, and right now I'm just sitting here and working, ugh. Yeah, I might just need to go and buy me some headphones. I think we might need to end the stream very early due to technical difficulties. I'm sorry everyone, I suppose that's it. I need to go. I need to go and get myself some headphones. We didn't do anything this stream, but in my defense, such is life, it sometimes happens. I'm sorry, Cisha, I'm so sorry, but such is life sometimes. I will try to do another stream today, and maybe it will go better, but for now I need to go to the shops and spend money on headphones. That's great. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!